Queens and Kings, here is my Tradition Glam Fall Home Tour for 2019. If you all would like to see the whole tour, please continue to watch. Hey Queens and Kings. So starting here first in my kitchen at the breakfast area. I did not go with any type of place setting. I just wanted to go with a simple but glamorous and tradition centerpiece where I have used my Pier 1 beaded table runner. Then I have Z Gallery gorgeous little grapes there. Then I have a lot of Dollar Tree pumpkins as well as Target Dollar Spot, a little greenery and some glam, and the large pumpkin came from Marshall's. So I just did like a cute little vignette here to welcome you into the kitchen. So moving on over here into the kitchen, further in the kitchen, this area here used to be where I housed my microwave, and now I have more countertop space. As you guys seen for the overview, it did open the kitchen up a little bit more, so you guys know the microwave have been all over the kitchen. So with that being said, I just basically put my two-tier tray that is from Ross. A lot of you guys asked me about that tray. This little happy Thanksgiving sign is from Dollar Tree, as well as this whole hello fall pumpkin as well. Then I have some Z Gallery pumpkin, some more Dollar Tree pumpkins, and some greenery, and my utensil holder. So I really like how the way this turned out. Now above my refrigerator here, I just did like a cute little pumpkin collage area going on here, and then you guys see that plate back there. I put on a Dollar Tree plate riser. So just because of some fat, I end up got 5 plates and not 6. So I have found a cute little way to actually display it. And then I have my bling pumpkins from Ross and the other bling pumpkin there from the at home store. So I love how this looks. Now here over in my wine station, this sign here is from Hobby Lobby or Michael's sometime last year. Do you guys see I used Dollar Tree little orange little baller, wine baller. Well, it's a wine baller for me, and I put my little cute little baller stopper in there. Then I made my little area for my wine here with my DIY tray. Had that little white pumpkin from Target, and these cute little flutes here that I made for my wedding. I do have a video on that. And that champagne baller back there is from Ross. And then I have my Z Gallery flower mirror flower vase there that I have some flowers in it. And this is my little simple wine station, and I totally love it. As you guys can see, it overlooks into the living room, and I have a very clear view. Nothing is blocking the view to the living room. Now, speaking of the living room, here's a cute little overview of my living room, which I told you guys some changes was going to be done, but I decided to go against it because I'm going to do the changes after fall, or probably another look for fall. So once again, these pillars here are from TJ Maxx. If you guys didn't see my previous video, and this velvet pillow cover is from Amazon. Now I did a little changes over here on the side table, not as much. I just put my Z Gallery pumpkin over here and some greenery. That's pretty about much it, or fall greenery. And my candle here from Dollar Tree, which does smell very good, in my DIY candle holder. So I have the same thing going on for the sofa here, besides this pillow cover here, which is a DIY of mine that I was selling these pillow covers. And I would like to say thank you guys for each and every one of you guys who actually supported me on purchasing some of the gold as well as the silver pillow covers as well as coasters. So thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I truly, truly appreciate it. On the opposite end here, the sofa have the same thing. Is nothing changed here on my TV or my console table, or whatever you want to call it, my TV stand. Ain't nothing really changed over here besides me putting the other pillow over there and taking the teal ones out. Now here for the bottom of my coffee table, my made coffee table, I just added this little gorgeous bling pumpkin that I got from some store, I forgot, Old Time Pottery I believe, and the Dollar Tree the Happy Harvest sign. Now here on the top of my coffee table are the DIY coasters that I was selling, that I thank you guys so much for purchasing once again. I did just make a little bit changes, just change some things around here on top of the coffee table. And you guys see my crown there have tilt, but it have not fall. So they let you know I am truly a queen at all times of my life. So yeah, but it ain't too much have changed here on the coffee table. I just switched the things around just to give a fresh look, and added my gorgeous, one of my favorite pumpkin pecan waffle scent from Bath and Body Works. I love this counter. I really do love this counter. I think I love this one more than I love the DW Homes one. And I just have my picture of my husband and I on the coffee table. So just simple and gorgeous. So here's another overview of the living room area, and this is how it looked from Andre's room. And I did do my fireplace, which I'll be showing you guys pretty soon. So before we go to the fireplace, we're going to have another take of overlook of my gorgeous, gorgeous fall Christmas tree. And if you guys don't know, this is my first time ever decorating a Christmas tree for any other holiday other than Christmas itself. But I have to say, I truly love the way how this tree turned out for fall more than I did love the one for Halloween. So yeah, I really do love it, and I thank you guys for all the love and support that you showed on that video as well. Oh, how I just love my tree topper. So here's an overview of it, and we're gonna move on over to my fireplace mantle. Now I just only decorated just the fireplace mantle. That is it. I didn't do nothing else, because you guys know this is another struggle area that I just truly struggle with. So I just left it as simple as I can do it, or make it, or design it as possible. But I do love the way how my family portrait or family pictures and everything is directly on top of it. And I just placed my DIY large mirror behind it. I have these gorgeous pumpkins that I got from the at-home store, and this sign here from Dollar Tree. So this sign was the actually inspiration for this whole area here for my fireplace mantle, since it is more of my entryway decor. So I truly love the way how I did style this, and it does open this area up even more, even though that the fireplace is white itself. But I truly love it. I truly do love it. And then I put some greenery as well on the fireplace, just to soften it up a little bit and make it a little more fallish, other than with the pumpkins I do have here. And all the greenery came from Walmart, and a pop of my teal as well. So I love this area. Okay, so now we have made our way over to the dining room before we get ready to finish this video. The dining room, as you guys can see, I did make some changes, small changes, nothing big, because I'm actually going to make some more changes later. Hopefully I can get that video out to you guys will be able to see it. And I like to say thanks to the queens that actually correct me on the way to place my utensil here. So thank you guys so much for pointing that out to me. So now I hope I have it all right. And as you guys can see, I did just change the styling of my napkins. I just actually put three layers of napkins together, other than the one how I had it before. And then I put my soft little white runner. Then I put a couple of real pumpkins. Those larger pumpkins are actually real pumpkins that my husband purchased for me. So it not too much have it really changed over here in the dining room area, but I do like the little changes that I did place there. And as you guys can see, for the chairs, I do have some cushions in them. I mean, well, pillows that I got from Hobby Lobby. This one say Harvest on it, and the other one I think say Gather. Yes. So these are really all the changes that I have made here in the dining room, which I do truly still love it. But I'm hate to see that it go bye bye because it's actually gonna change after I upload this video. And as you guys can see, here's my outdoor wreath inside, all because I'm so afraid, like I said, someone is going to steal it because they've been stealing my packages. Oh my goodness. So I have to be home to receive my packages, and you guys know how packages can be. They run so late. So, but yeah, I truly love how this wreath looks. So moving into my entrance, my foyer, or whatever you like to call it, I have not made no changes over here other than changing the bow onto my wreath. And I could not express how much I thank you guys and appreciate you guys for the love, the support, the shares, the comments, the ones that have subscribed to the castle. Thank you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I love you all. And to my old ride and dies, thank you guys too as well for doing your part, because this video could not have made it that far without you all. So, queens and kings, we are coming to the end, and standing from the foyer area, here is a overview of the whole entire house, the view that I see from the door. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed my tradition glam fall home tour of the areas that I did decorate. So with that being said, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much once again for being truly royal.